In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Chrome background. Now, this is a fun and easy way to personalize your browsing experience, making it truly yours. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. You will want to make sure you are logged into your Google account before we get started. This ensures that any changes you make are saved across all devices you use with Chrome. Now, once you're logged in and have your browser open, you'll want to head to the home page or open a new tab, as this is where we can begin customizing. When you see that clean, white background with the Google search bar and a few of your most visited sites, look towards the bottom right corner. You're looking for a little pencil icon that might say Customize next to it. Go ahead and give that a click. A new menu should pop up offering a few different options. You'll see a section for background where there are several categories to choose from, such as landscapes, art, solid colors, and more. If you're feeling creative, browse through these categories to find a background image that speaks to you. Simply click on the category to expand it and see all available options. Once you've found an image you like, select it. Don't worry if you don't find something right away. You can take your time since there are numerous images available. Also, note that you can always upload your own image if you'd prefer. There's an option for Upload from Device right at the top of the background menu. Click that if you have a particular picture in mind and navigate to your image file, select it, and voila! It will now be your new background. After you've made your selection, make sure to confirm your choice by clicking on Done at the bottom of the pop-up menu. This will finalize your changes and save them. And there you go. Your new background should now be visible every time you open a new tab in Chrome. If at any point you want to revert back to the classic white background or try a different image, you can follow these exact steps again to update your background as often as you'd like. Customizing your browser background can be a subtle yet powerful way of adding a piece of personality and familiarity to your daily web browsing routine. Experiment with colors, patterns, and themes that inspire you to bring a bit of joy to your day-to-day scrolling. Thanks for tuning in today and have fun customizing your Chrome experience.